Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome everybody. If you're here for the first time, like I usually say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell. I got a request to make more videos on balloon garlands. I made a balloon garland video about 3 months ago, and seems like you guys loved that video. So why not to make a second video, but a little bit different. In my previous video, I didn't really talk through, I kind of fast forward. In this video, I wanted to talk to you guys and explain every step that I'm going to be doing and why I'm doing it. I pulled out a lot of previous DIYs and things that I made on my channel, and I would love to recycle, use it again, and make that balloon garland more out there and just a statement. If you want to see how I do it, what's going on, just stay tuned and let's get to it. Here, what I pulled out, these are the crystals that I usually use for weddings if the bride is into crystals. Also, I have my purple paper flowers, poppy seed flowers, my 700 pink paper flowers as well. This is a leaf garland. My balloon pump adhesive dots, lots of balloons, safety pins, fishing line, and scissors, and we might use this, and Christmas lights. We'll see what I'm gonna use and how I'm gonna utilize all this, but we'll see how it's gonna look, and we'll just go with the flow. Okay, first things first, we need to blow the balloons up, and I'll be using pink. I have really a good amount of leftovers from the previous garland, pink balloons and red balloons. Let's get to the medium. To the small size. Balloons stained my fingers, these red ones. I've never used them before, so this is my first time using them, and they stained my fingers. I bought these balloons on eBay. They came in a bag of 100 in each color, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. So for the next step of our garland, you will need to make clusters of balloons. So take different sizes balloons, different colors. So I took a large red balloon, one medium, and one small pink balloon. You will pinch 3 balloons at the bottom, just like so, and you will tangle them in between each other. So go through a few times and they will hold the shape. I have made all of my clusters. I left really tiny balloons without a cluster. I'm going to place them on adhesive, glue that, and glue them later on after the garland will be hanging on a backdrop. This is kind of upsetting. I've lost count how many red balloons popped. This is not everything that popped. I don't know what's going on, but these pop occasionally. Pink ones, only one popped and one deflated because it had a hole, but these pink are really good, but red ones, I don't know what's going on. Maybe they were laying too long, I'm not sure. Maybe I blew them a little too hard. To hang my garland, I'll be using fishing line. I took a fishing line and tied onto the safety pin that is holding my fabric. You can pin it just like a normal safety pin on top of your fabric, and tie it, you would not be able to see the safety pin just because it will be hidden behind all of the balloons. Or if you have a curtain rod or anything that you will be putting this garland on, just tie it with a fishing line and don't cut it. I have the rest of my fishing line over there. So I have started my garland. It was very easy to start. Just take the balloon and wrap around with fishing line and push it towards your backdrop. I'm going to show you right now how you can start and see what I mean? See what I mean? They pop. They're so annoying. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I'm going to show you how you can start and build your garland. Take one cluster, find the position that you want to place. Take one cluster and find the position how you want the cluster to be placed. I like it how it looks just like that. Take your fishing line and then wrap around one of the balloons once. Just like that. And push it to secure and they're not gonna slide. We're finally done building our garland. To finish the garland and secure all of your balloons, you will take your last cluster of balloons and take the fishing line and you will wrap around the balloon a few times to secure really, really well. My garland, I would need a second piece of fishing line, so cut a really long piece of fishing line to secure my garland on a second spot. I did the same thing as I started my garland. I took a safety pin, extra fishing line, I looped through my balloons and tied the string to the safety pin, and it holds the balloons very good. For my next step, I'll be taking my adhesive glue dots. I bought them on eBay as well, and I'll be attaching my small balloons on my garland. So all you do is take the balloon, take your adhesive glue dot and glue it right on top of your balloon. And now fill the spaces that you want to be filled on your garland, and we'll move on to the next step. This is what I came up with. So overall I used 33 large balloons, that's in between two colors, 36 medium balloons, 36 small balloons, and 20 tiny ones. That's in between both colors. So in this corner I decided to put purple flowers that I had from ages ago and my pink tiny flowers. Also I added felt leaf garland. How did I attach everything that you see here? I took my adhesive glue dots, and as I showed you on a smaller balloon, I just placed that dot and glue it to the balloon. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the comments down below, let me know what you think. In the description down below, I will link all of the videos for the purple flowers, pink, and the leaf garland as well. I will add a video of my previous balloon garland, so you can go ahead and check that out. If you haven't entered my giveaway yet, you still have time to do so. I will link that video as well. Also, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you all back very, very soon. Bye-bye.